All right, first of all, thank you for giving Freedom Motors a chance to earn your business. We've been in business for about 30 years. We've been doing it right here in the United States, right here in the factory in Michigan. So again, thank you for giving us a chance to earn your business. My name is Justin. I'm an outside sales rep, and today I have the game-changing Kia Telluride. Again, like Tom said, this is not a minivan. This is a full-size, beautiful SUV. This is an automatic ramp. It is two remotes. First remote you use to open the back. Real quick, I want to touch the lowest part of it. It's about 8 inches from here to the ground. It's about 8 inches, good enough for, like Tom said, bumps, speed bumps, car washes. It'll handle just great. And then we have the ramp. The ramp is 33 inches wide, 57 inches long, and then you get about 55 inches of head clearance going up, and then about the same exact, maybe an inch more when you're in of head clearance. This is a hydraulic and cable assist ramp system, and aluminized, high-grade aluminized steel ramp. Multiple different ways to tie down whoever's in the chair. We have what we call the footballs. You have the manual ties, which come for free. You have the retractables, which Steve showed, really easy. And then you have what we call an easy lock. It's just a system you put on your wheelchair. It clamps right into here, nice and tight, and then you got your 2 seat belts as well. Again, head clearance is about 56 inches. In between the 2 seats is about 23 inches. That should be able to get majority of your wheelchairs or power chairs, at least their feet in there, so they're right in the middle. These are deluxe seats, so they are squeezed in a little bit again to get more room in there. Another cool thing about our conversion is the undercoat. We have a special undercoating that goes under for corrosion, for rocks. If you live on a dirt road, it'll help with that. No rusting, or helps with rusting. Another great thing I love about our conversions is we stand behind it. There's a 3-year or 36,000 mile warranty, whatever comes first. Anything happens to your ramp, anything like that, you give us a call. If you're in Florida, that's fine. You can take it to a local dealer or a local mobility dealer around you, get it fixed. They can call our technicians. Our technicians can walk through, help them get it fixed. We'll take the bill. As long as it's within the 30-year, 36,000 miles, we do that as well. Another thing that's really key too, I used to work for Kia as well, is their warranty. Just because we add this ramping system does not mess with Kia's warranty. So you get a 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty through Kia. That's on the powertrain, and then a 60-year or 60,000 miles, 5-year basic warranty. And again, just because we put this ramping system in it doesn't mean it messes with any of that. You still get your basic warranty. You can do all your oil changes at your regular Uncle Ed's, mom and pop shops, Kia, anything like that. And there's not a whole lot that can go wrong with our hydraulic ramping system, built to last. Again, we've been doing it for 30 plus years, and I say we are the best in the industry. I stand behind that. And again, this Kia Telluride is going to be a game-changing vehicle. Woo! Yeah.